Good morning this Friday, the 6th of August. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst at Bell Direct. It's great to have your company. Well, all three major US benchmarks pushed higher overnight. The S&P 500 closed 0.6% higher at a new record, following energy and travel stocks bouncing back ahead of Friday's key jobs report. The jobs report is expected to be a key data point for the Federal Reserve as it considers when to tighten monetary policy. Both the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq lifted 0.8%, with many megatech companies ending the session higher, including Microsoft, Facebook, Netflix, Alphabet, and Amazon. Now, what to watch today? Following the US, the Aussie share market is set to open ever so slightly higher, up 0.04%, or 3 points to 7,423 if you go by the futures. In terms of economic news, well, yesterday balance of trade data for June was released. Expected surplus was $10.45 billion, and June's reading came in at a slight beat, $10.496 billion. Today we have RBA Governor Phillip Lowe testifying at 9:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, followed 2 hours later by the RBA statement on monetary policy. In terms of stocks to watch, ResMed, RMD, has announced its fourth quarter fiscal year 2021 earnings. RMD's revenue increased by 6% to US $3.2 billion on a constant currency basis in comparison to the prior year period. And operating profit was up 12% on a non-GAAP basis. RMD closed yesterday at $37.18, trading at record high territory, so its share price will be on watch today. REA Group, REA, are also set to report its financial year 2021 results. According to Goldman Sachs analysts, a 12% increase in REA's revenue is expected, as well as a 20% lift in EBITDA. Separately, James Hardie, JHX, will be holding its AGM today. And moving to the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients, these included Fortescue Metals, FMG. Its share price came under pressure yesterday following the news that one of its contractors had returned a weak positive test result for COVID-19, which saw FMG's share price fall 3.4%. However, it was later advised by the Department of Health that the contractor had subsequently returned a negative test result. Also, Pinnacle, PNI, was another top traded stock by Bell Direct clients yesterday. Its share price lifted about 9% after reporting its financial year 2021 results, where the company's net profit increased by more than 100% on the prior year. Moving to commodities, the oil price lifted about 1.4% on Middle East tensions, back towards the US $70 a barrel mark, after falling more than $2 a barrel on Wednesday. The gold price dropped overnight, down 0.4%, off the back of concerns that the US Fed could begin tapering its asset purchases later this year. And the iron ore price continues to come under pressure, falling about 5.8% to US $171, now trading around 22% lower than its high last month. Now, to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter has maintained its buy recommendation on construction and engineering business Genesis Plus Group, GNP is its ticker code, with an increased price target to $1.30, previously $1.25. Bell Potter believes its acquisition of selected Tandem Corp's assets and contracts can drive several key strategic benefits, including increased maintenance revenue, greater diversification of end markets, and the ability to target work on Australia's 5G rollout. GNP closed yesterday up 2.2% higher to 94 cents, which implies about 39% share price growth. To end, bullish trading signals have been identified in Sezzle, SZL, Homeco Daily Needs REIT, HDN, and Imdex, IMD, according to Trading Central. And that's it for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Stay safe and happy trading.